Hi, Agent Bosko here with Keller Williams Realty. I'm excited to present you my latest listing at 123 Strathcona Avenue in Upper Riverdale. Walking distance to TTC and Subway and Danforth Avenue shops and restaurants. This rarely offered 2-bedroom and 2 full baths townhome features kitchen, dining and living area on main level, 2 bedrooms on upper level, and 3rd bedroom or a family room on lower level with a walkout to a private patio and backyard perfect for relaxation or summer barbecues. Common Courtyard will wow you with multiple seating areas and beautiful landscape gardens across from Campton Howard Park with playgrounds perfect for kids and pets. You can access underground parking directly via separate entrance from the lower level. For more information, send us an email or call today for a private tour. We'll be happy to show you around. Thank you so much for joining me.